How to recover Direct Express user ID. Hi everyone, welcome back into our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can recover your Direct Express user ID, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover your Direct Express user ID, it's very simple. It's just like resetting your password, but a little bit more difficult than that. So first of all, make sure to launch the Direct Express application here. Once you launch the Direct Express application, you will be able to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is, if you had remembered your user ID over here, you would have been able to enter them, right? But since we don't remember user ID, just tap the Forgot User ID option that you can find here. Once you tap the Forgot User ID option that you can find here, enter the last 4 digits of your card number, the CVV number as well, and once you've done that, also make sure to enter your card expiration date. Once you make sure to enter all of these, enter your social security number, and after you've done that, you can simply tap the next option, and then after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and also reset your user ID. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically reset your user ID for Direct Express. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.